Good morning, people. My name is Heber Barroso. I'm an English and French teacher, and today I would like to teach you some English sounds. So, let's begin with these English sounds. The first step that we have to do is to identify all of those English sounds. For example, these are the most particular English sounds we find. The second step is to compare if we find some particular sounds in our language. Number 3 is to memorize all of those sounds. For example, o, u, and a. Like for example, the word horse, cat, foot, thick, cup, computer. And if we memorize this, we have to practice, because when we practice, we memorize all of those English sounds. Alright, people, that was all for today. I hope you liked this video, and see you next time.